Hello everyone, my name is Eric Chastain. Thank you for joining me today as I show you how to recover your command bar should it go missing in FRAMECAD Steelwise. In FRAMECAD Steelwise, the command bar is an integral portion of the software, as the software often prompts the user for information via the command bar. So if it goes missing or is hidden, as you can see in my case here, it becomes difficult to know what the software is asking you and to be able to move forward. So if this happens, there are a handful of ways we can recover that. Firstly, you can simply type the command bar shortcut in the command line. Then you could type S for show, and it will toggle the command bar back up. If the command bar is hidden again, you can simply left-click this bottom toolbar here, and that toggles the command bar on and off. Lastly, you can right-click here in the toolbar, left click where it says command bar, and that will toggle the command bar on as well. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you for joining me and have a great day.